Guys, ngayon magluluto ako ng chicken. Chicken. Spices. Chicken with garlic, with these spices, and with this one, tomato paste, and with put that, and this is my chicken. Yes. So guys, see you later. After I mix, see, I cook chicken with this bunch of garlic. Okay guys, so guys, put together the ingredients, the spices only, not the ingredients. Put together with 2 cubes of beef. Then we will add the chicken. Then add the chicken, and after 10 minutes add potato and this one tomato paste. Mix recipe. So i-add natin ang tomato paste para maluto ang tomato paste. Okay guys. So i-add na natin. Ayan na siya guys, ang itsura ng with tomato paste. Tapos lagyan natin siya ng mainit na tubig at saka potato. Okay? So guys, ito na siya guys. So pakuluan na lang natin hanggang maluto ang butat. Ayan. So marunong na ako. Ganun lang naman pala. Easy. It's very easy. Aywa. See? Hanggang maluto yung butat. So, mga 15 minutes, I think. Okay, guys. Bye. So, guys, ito na siya. So, tapos na. Luto na siya lahat. So, may marag na ako.